Hello guys, my name is Pawan Chan, and today in this video I will discuss what is STEM, what is STEM education really means, what are the similarities between STEM and STEM education, and most importantly I will discuss why learning STEM and STEM education is really important for the upcoming generations. Plus we will look at how historical innovations took place to shape the STEM education into what it is today. Alright, STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. It is all about blending all these fields to tackle the real world challenge. Now, STEM education is the way we teach these subjects. It's not just about learning facts, but also about thinking critically and solving problems and being creative. You might wonder how they are different, right? Well, STEM is the content of the field themselves, while STEM education is how the approach we take to teach these subjects in a way that is engaging and effective. Let's talk about some of the real world examples. Research shows that when students engage in hands-on STEM activities like technical drawing or coding projects, they boost their spatial abilities and problem solving skills. In education, many schools are integrating STEM education through project-based learning, where students tackle real-world problems and come up with innovative solutions. And in industry, companies are on the lookout for a STEM talent to drive innovation. Whether it's developing new technology, innovating healthcare, or designing sustainable solutions, everywhere you will find the STEM very helpful. Now, you might wonder why this matters. Well, STEM and STEM education brings fantastic benefits to the community. First of all, they blend different fields, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, so students can see how they work together to solve the real problems. For instance, imagine designing a sustainable city. You would need environmental scientists to understand the ecosystem, engineers to build the infrastructure, technology for the smart system, and math to plan the resources. It's a hands-on why the learn and how the world really works. Plus, STEM education helps you to build critical skills like problem solving, creativity, and analytical thinking. So that's why you can choose any career. STEM education will be helpful for you. Whether you are going to the engineering, healthcare, or technology, these skills are gold for you. And here is the kicker: communities benefits too. When students learn to innovate and solve problems, they bring those skills back to their communities, driving growth and positive change. Now let's take a quick journey through the history. The first industrial revolution back in 1700s introduced machines and the steam power, kicking off the era of mechanizations. Then came the second industrial revolutions with mass production and electricity, making the technology engineering even more integral. The third industrial revolution from 1970s to 1990s was the digital age. Computers revolutionized how they work and learn. And now we are in the fourth industrial revolution, where AI and robotics and Internet of Things IoT pushing the boundaries of STEM for even further. Amid these revolutions, educational innovations like game-based learning have transformed how we teach STEM by making learning more interactive and engaging. Game-based methods help students grasp complex concepts and develop their skills they need for the future. Another transformative approach in STEM education is flipped classroom. This method flips the traditional method. Students watch lectures, read materials at home, and then come to the class ready to engage in hands-on activities, discussion, and problem solving. This way, they spend more time on applying these, learn and collaborate with the peers and teachers. Techniques like design thinking and problem-based learning plays crucial role. Design thinking encourages structured process, understanding problem, brainstorming idea, prototyping solution, and testing out them. It is a powerful way to cultivate creativity and critical thinking. So to wrap up, understanding STEM and STEM education along with the historical context and innovations like flipped classroom and game-based learning gives us a clear picture of how these fields to involve and evolve they are crucial. It's all about preparing for the future where the STEM skills are not just useful but essential. Thank you very much guys for your patience. Hopefully this video will help you out through the STEM and STEM educations. Thank you very much. Do subscribe my channel. Thank you.